What's up guys, welcome to another Blokis build series, and for today we are down to our last three uh, boxes that we purchased from our local seller that sold us this Blokis. And for this one we are also in transition to our next Blokis build. So let's go ahead and start with this one, and let's go. Okay, so we got the Blokis in this box, and let's see who is it gonna be. And as per the person who sold this Blokis to us, he told us that this is wheeljack, and let's check. Yeah, and it is wheeljack. So let's go ahead and start building this Blokis, and let's go. Alright, so we got now our wheeljack, and wheeljack is an Autobot chief mechanic and also the mad scientist in the original series, which is this colorway. And he transforms into a Lancia Stratos Turbo, his vehicle mode, which we got here. This is this vehicle mode. Okay, and he is famous for being brilliant and also highly unpredictable inventions. Aside from that, he works along with Perceptor for his inventions. Also, it is notable that this character, Wheeljack, also built or invented and created the Dinobots. So this is additional firepower for the Autobots, and he created Grimlock, Slug, Sludge, Snarl, and Swoop. He designed them to help Autobots fight the Decepticons. So unfortunately, in the G1 series, Wheeljack died in the series, in the Autobot City. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you like our video for our Wheeljack. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, eBrick Builds. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would be updated to our latest episode. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace.